Hey guys, I just mounted yesterday, actually my friend mounted for me the Mitas yellow stripe. This is the Enduro tire. Just a second, let it focus. Okay. Okay, so this is the Enduro tire. It's FIM ready. The size is 140 on 18 inch wheel, of course. This is the EF-07 EF-07. This is the yellow stripe, so you can see there is the, where is it? Okay, it's on this side. So this is the yellow stripe. It's a bit more tough. Okay, the knobbies are moving, but not. You cannot twist them like the green stripe or the double green stripe, which is for extreme enduro and won't last for long. Then the side knobbies are more flexible, more than the center one. I think it's for a better grip on the side or for cornering, and those need to be tougher, so they won't chop off or last longer. It's a FIM tire, so I think it should be 3 centimeters in length, the knobby height, or 2 point something. As you can see, the crown is actually in the opposite direction. We mounted not in the correct side, but it's bi-directional tire, so it doesn't matter. The knobbies are the same pattern if you flip it or not, and actually most of the riders are flipping those tires after 5 or 6 hours. So let's see how long it will last. Okay, there is a truck passing over. Okay, so let's see how long this tire will last. I want to give him something like, I don't know, maybe 30 hours will be great. We will see. I'm not very hard on the gas, on the throttle, so it should be okay. Time will see, I will say. That is for now. It's very wide, by the way. It's wider than the Maxis AT I had. Not too much, but it's wider. The Maxis, I think, was 110. Yeah, 110 rear. So this tire should be very nice for the summer in Israel, and there are no wet rocks or mud or anything like that. So a stiffer tire should be the way to go. As I told you before, time will say if it's a good investment or not. I think it is. Thank you guys for watching. I'll give you an update. Oh, by the way, before I'm finishing the video, so let's see. I put this new tire at, just a second, the odometer says 4,000 and no, it's not 4. Yeah, it's 4,533 kilometers, and let's see how many hours. Okay, so 187.3 hours. Let's see how long it will last. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.